Hey Rachel, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions are really good to have for your conversions. And I would recommend adding some more content here. The reason is Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. Looking through this content here, seeing what your photos are, and seeing if you have any keywords in there. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And here is an example of a keyword, Dallas foundation repair. And when your customers are searching this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you'd want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that, 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these other businesses is that you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And so if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of that 60 to 70% of traffic goes into this organic listing here. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on this first page here. And you want to be as high up as possible because the top 3 get a lot of that traffic. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword, Premier Foundation Repair. It'd be really easy to outdo them in the content department. But let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have Premier plugged in here first into Ahrefs. We're going to look at ratings pulled from the Google Data Studio. So UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 35 and 7 coming from their 3.22 thousand backlinks. These backlinks are coming from 188 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it is important to mention that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you want to be intentional with that. And Premier has 290 keywords on their website. Now if we go over to yours, I have your website plugged into Ahrefs as well. You'll have 22 and 10 coming from your 270 backlinks and 39 referring domains. And you will have 128 keywords on your website. And so you'd want to boost these numbers to have them be higher than your competitors. The way that you would do that is get good high quality backlinks, and then you want to make sure you have buyer intent keywords on your website. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into Premier's backlinks here, and then you would link them to your website as well. Because if it's working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair 150, Foundation Repair Dallas TX 100, 80, 100. And so this list just keeps going. And so what you would want to do is have a Google business profile that's ranking for the keywords that you're interested in. So add some citations there. And then you want to boost the authority and trustworthiness of your website. So that would be getting some high quality backlinks to your website. Add some content in the buyer intent keywords. And then that way you would start getting some of this traffic here for yourself. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to know your feedback on it, if it was helpful or not. And so if you'll give me a call and let me know if it was helpful, and I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.